spicy tomato dressing, and creamy Oaxaca cheese. Trust me on this one. This is the recipe of the summer. Hello friends, and welcome to Sassy Kate and Ren. This is the Sweet Heat Summer Salad. Let's make this. To make the dressing, combine all of the ingredients in a blender and mix well. If you have leftover tomato, add it to the salad ingredients. Soak your red onion in cold water while you cut the pepper, cucumber, mangoes, tomatoes, and cheese. When you've finished chopping everything, pour off the cold water on your red onions. Now add all the ingredients into your salad bowl. Pour half of that delicious dressing over the salad and toss. Then pour the remaining dressing over the salad and toss again. Trust me, you want to do it in 2 steps. It works. Serve this into a salad bowl and garnish with a crunchy top. I'm Canadian, so I add Hickory Sticks on top and serve immediately. Like and follow Sassy Kate and Ren for more delicious recipes.